Hey beauties and gents, it's your girl Linnee and welcome to Inner Beauty Out. You've made your way over to my channel and I am super excited to have you. Guys, I went in with something that was very controversial. I gave Subculture another shot. I really did. I wanted to play with this because I remember when I first got it, I was excited, but it was my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette ever. And what happened was I loved everything about the color story, every single thing. But there was one shade that did not work for me out of my palette. It was literally like you could rub it and no color payoff came off. And it was the shade Cube. And I felt like Eclectic did the same thing. And I'm going to show you the shades that I'm talking about right now. So basically this shade and this iridescent shade, both of these shades did not work for me, but everything else I loved about it. I remember wearing it you know, to try it out and things, and like I would get compliments on the makeup look and the colors, because at the time these colors were everything, and I still think these colors are everything. And today I found a photo that I really loved on Pinterest. I don't have her name, but if I do find it, I'll include it within the video. But I really wanted to, I drew inspiration from this and created my look, my version of this look. It wasn't completely the same, but very much the same colors and so forth. And so I really like how it came out. I think it complements my hair color. I'm loving the lip color that I made today, and this was just, the lip color was completely nothing that this person had, but I thought it complemented pulling the look together. And I would normally have never put this color combination together, but I do feel like it works. So without talking too much, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, or will enjoy this video. And if you do, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share the video. Let me know what your thoughts are on picking up this palette. Actually, it's funny because I purchased this palette from TJ Maxx, and this palette retails for like $42 or $45. I'll let you know within the video what it actually comes up to, but I actually picked this up for $19.99 at TJ Maxx. If you don't believe me, boom, it's right here. $19.99 is what I paid for this at TJ Maxx, and legit, I was like, I swatched it in store just to make sure that all the shades worked before I picked it up. I honestly could not stop thinking about this color story, which is why I often go back and I would revisit the palette, even at you know, Sephora, and I'm like, should I get it? Should I not get it? It's just like I felt like it wasn't fair for me the first time I tried out one of their palettes for all the shades not to be 100%. So I feel like this time around I got the opportunity to really get the full range of all the shades. I own a couple palettes now, between Prism, the Norvina palette, the Soft Glam palette, and now Subculture. And I feel like I might have one more, but I'm not sure. But if I do, I'll let you know. But either way, like, I feel like I'm building up my collection with Anastasia. I have been thinking about getting the Modern Renaissance palette for some time too, and I do know that the Riviera palette just dropped as well, and it looks so beautiful. Like, I'm trying to be good, and so these palettes dropping at this point in time is like making me so bad. Today I'm feeling very Lola-esque and so it was fun creating this. I know you guys haven't really seen me with my hair kind of like down and straight and revived with the color, but so let me know what you think about my hair color. It's not new, but my hair color. But I will go ahead and insert some swatches for you just so that you can see what they look like in person.
Yeah, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love.
So I will say that they are super stunning. As you can see, this is a beautiful color story. I would even say, or go as far as like, I really feel like this is something more on the fall side. However, I think it could really be relevant all year round because the shades are just so pretty. You can do so many things. I can see spring colors in here, and I can see some summer shades if you really wanted to. Like, there's so many things that you can do with this. I have to say, like, as far as this brand, as far as Anastasia Beverly Hills, as far as Norvina, the palettes and the shades that she comes up with, that she brings out, are so creative, innovative, and totally on trend and on point. I'm not saying this to boast about the Anastasia Beverly Hills brand in the sense of trying to get on their good side or trying to get free PR or trying to do anything like that, because currently I don't receive anything from them. However, what I'm trying to say is that I've been following her for the past couple of weeks or so on Twitter. I've never seen a brand so in tune in terms of communicating with their consumers. And when I say consumers, like, she is on top of it with, you know, as far as like asking questions. And I also feel like she acknowledges the work that, you know, her followers and the people who support the brand, like, that they create. And it's not just, you know, everything kind of just like, okay, we put out what we put out because we want to make money. I feel like the brand creates products that the consumer will enjoy. I really feel like when you purchase a product from them, it's very well thought out. It's not put out in a rush. She is in the lab constantly working, and she shows that to you. And at first, you know, anyone could think, okay, that's being boastful because you're looking for credit or you're looking for validation by always posting what you're doing. But at the same time, if you don't, who is going to show off as far as like the hard work behind the scenes? And I think I enjoy that. I think I respect that more than anything. I think a lot of people respect that, and that's why so many people want or enjoy when Anastasia Beverly Hills comes out with a new product. So I just wanted to stop and like say that. I didn't want to come like and ramble on about it, but I just want to say this is super stunning. The reason I'm not falling out of my chair right now, which I should, because this color story is so beautiful and I can see myself going back into this and playing with this and creating more looks for you guys, is because I guess we come to expect such great quality from certain brands that when we see newer brands come out with stuff just as good, then we fall out our chair. But honestly, I would fall out my chair just like off jump because this is so pretty. It's so beautiful. I'm dying right now. So you're gonna see how I put this look together, and I'm going to stop talking so that you can enjoy it. Meet me in the comment section so we can get to chit chatting, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys.
Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you, yeah. Let me to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you, yeah. Let me love you, let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection, show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection, show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you, yeah. You should let me Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. Give you everything. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Give you everything. Yeah. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you